Butterfly just hopping around here. Oh man, look at this, folks. He's hanging out with me. Hi, buddy. You hanging out with me? What are the odds of this? Just not wanting to fly away, just hanging out with me. Here you go, buddy. Here you go. Well, the water's way down. Look here, I left it in the ground, but that's definitely a nutting stand. Look at that little hole, and it's a nice hand-sized one. Let's get it out of here. Oh, there's one in both sides. Haven't been finding much. I think it's Tuesday today. Look at that, folks. A beauty. I like these small ones like this. It's a nice one. Got them on the board today. You can see this wash here. It's not bad, but I don't find much stuff down on this part of the site. I think this is the first thing I've found since I found a white hopewell point here. It's the first point or thing I found since that, and it's been a while. And I'm, you know, just because I don't have an arrowhead hunting video on doesn't mean I'm not out in the AM. I'm out looking. There's lots of rock here. Look at this pile of rocks right here. Wonder how that got in here, but I'm on the board. Pretty nice nutter. Just a hand-sized one, not bad at all. Go up here farther on the better spots. I've already looked one site. Well, I've got this find. I'll show you some of the, let me set that down, some of the flakes and stuff. What the heck's that right there? Some kind of bone out of something. But I got flakes, that's about it. Lots of tiny ones, and I pick it all up so that I can see the washes throughout the week and see what new stuff's washing out. That's nothing. I just saved it. It's like a natural stone. Well, I guess I got that flake knife. And this is all I found on one whole other site walking. Found this here. But that's it in the nutter. Later. Alright, I just raked this out, and it's a beer, and it don't have any cracks that I can see, and it says Mavis. It's an old beer bottle, I think, and it's embossed on the bottom too, Mavis. You can see it's here. Later. Cool find. Alright, let me wipe this off. I'm filthy. You can see me. I haven't even been here long. But I'm finding these white crown caps, and they got a patent date of something 1910 on them. And look at that. That's just beautiful, translucent, like light blue glass with a clear spot around the edge. This one's solid white, but when I start finding these, I usually start finding nice stuff. I got other ones and little perfume bottle, just various things. A nice blue thing, and you see I'm getting stuff. I might find something nice later. Alright, I'm back. You can see right here's a marble. Look at that old light bulb. Some kind of bulb. But this is nice. Let me wipe it off here in my shirt. And there's mosquitoes everywhere up here. I put bug spray on, but it's already sweat off of me. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's a clear base with white swirls all through it, and it's perfect. Didn't know if that's some kind of an alley or what, but it's pretty cool. Looked nice in one of my jars. Later fix. Alright, got another spoon. Can't tell if it's silver. It feels awful heavy. It might be. They're corroded like this in this dump with all the tin can or the iron cans and stuff. That's, you can see it. It's all just was laying in that flake stuff back in there. But I'm raking this. Another find. Later. Wow, this is cool, isn't it? Look at this cork top. That's cool. Never seen anything like that. It's an old cork top, and it's got a real cool neck on it and a cool bottom. I don't know what that is, but it's nice. Later. Oh man, folks, I got another real old spoon, and this got a design on it, and it's real heavy. It feels like it might be just solid silver. But it feels like lead or pewter or something. Oh, look at that. See, I'll wipe it off here. Hold on. Man, I'm into some cool stuff here now. Man, this is cool. It even says stuff on it. I don't know what it says, but it's got a little baby playing a drum set. This is old. It's heavy. It says all kinds of stuff on it. It's even got designs on the back. Oh man, what a nice find. What a nice find. I'll get it cleaned up and show on cleanup. Boy, this is nice. And I got that other little one too. Later. Look at this old car. It's a shame that's not complete with everything on it. Looks like it was probably a guy there on the seat that's gone. But man, that's an old style car. Well, anyway, later. I just dug this old iron wheel out. It's got all the spokes on it. It's probably off a real old wheelbarrow. But I'm going to take that home and soak it. Clean it all up with a brush and paint it, and it'll look nice. Hanging up on a wall or something. Maybe cut one of these off and put a hook up there so it can hang up like on the side of a building or something. That's cool. I love it. It'll clean up beautifully. Later. Kind of slow going today, but I got another one of these marbles like that last one. A clear one with white swirls all through it. It's in real nice shape. Got a whole bag full of stuff, but I'll show you some of the stuff here real quick. I got all kinds of these white things and some of them old ones that have the 1910 patent date on them. And I got some in my pocket here that I found in just like the last 15 minutes. Got some of these clear ones that say Atlas on them. Several of those. I even got more in here. I've been saving them all. See, there's just lots of different ones. This one has circles up on it. And anyway, later. Got another one of these Santas. I'd say that's a Christmas light. Look how cool that is. This one's still got the paint on it. It's ceramic. It's pretty cool. Later. I've been moving around. I'm raking up in here in this wall. I raked this out first. This could be silver. It's real heavy. It feels good. It's going to clean up. See the silver coming through. It's all tarnished up in here, but I got another one, and it's a baby one. Oh, it looks so cool. Let me get this one in my pocket. I found all kinds. Look right here. Look at this. It's a little antique baby spoon. Oh, that's gonna clean up and look beautiful, I bet. Check that out, folks. That made my day, because I know what this is gonna look like cleaned up. It's gonna be awesome. Hopefully it has initials or real ornate up here. We'll get it cleaned up and I'll show you on cleanup. Later.